Good morning. We're running 10 miles today because it's 2022 and I'm trying new things. I will brush my teeth after breakfast.
It hard to believe, and while I lose my head, I just want the
I really burned this to a crisp, didn't I?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it too much or do you like it?
It's okay.
Is it because it was frozen maybe?
I think so.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's when it gets tricky.
lovers do. Will you please leave the light on if you wanted to?
You might be wondering, Emma, you are a fucking crazy person. Why are you running 10 miles? And to that I say, 1, why not? 2, I'm young. I want to see if my body can handle it. 3, I've always considered running a half marathon. And if I were to actually like train for that, I'd have to do 10-mile runs. 4, I'm in a new place. I'm in Palm Desert and I feel like it'll be nice to like have a change of scenery. I forgot the number. Oh, 6, I'm trying this thing where I'm trying new things in 2022 and I'm documenting them. And this is something that I feel really excited about. And then 7, I've gotten really into running recently. So consistently every single week I do at least 1 run and 1 hike/run. And the runs are usually 4 to 6 miles long. So really this is only 4 miles longer than what I usually have been doing recently. I don't know, I just kind of want to see if I could do it. Like, I love challenging myself and pushing myself, and I'm running for pizza and wine. I'm very food motivated. I'm like a dog. That's kind of also a big thing for me. I got my sunscreen on. I've got my AirPods all charged. I just think we should just do it. Don't want to wait anymore. Just do it, you know? I will put a mask in my pocket in case I need to, like, you know, get water or anything while I'm on the run, but I don't have like a Camelback, so just hoping for the best here. See you there. Oh, here we go. Oh my god. 1 mile done. I was listening to Taylor Swift All Too Well 10-minute version. I'm already getting hot, but feel good. Mile 2. I'm just feeling pretty good actually. 3 miles down. This would normally be my halfway mark when I do my 6 miles. I feel pretty good. I've been keeping a sub 9 pace, but I'm allowing myself to do sub 10. So I'm okay if I get slower. Mile 4, I kind of just spaced out for that last mile. So I hope I can continue to just space out. Holy shit, I'm halfway through. I need to go off the main roads because people don't know how to fucking drive. But yay! Halfway through. I think my total time right now is 43 minutes. Just finished mile 6. I have 4 to go, you guys. Holy shit! I feel great. I feel really good. I'm so surprised, but like, obviously proud. Okay guys, I have 3 miles to go. My right hip flexor is kind of really tight right now, so I'm glad I only have 3 left. And I will do lots of stretching. I think I need to get better running shoes. I'm in like Nike Sprint shoes, so. Oh, also, the Climb by Miley Cyrus came on, and I was like, keep on moving, keep climbing. So that was helpful. 2 miles left. I can do that in my sleep. My stomach is hurting a little bit. I think I have to go to the bathroom. Last one. Oh my God. Last one, I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. I just finished. I might puke. I sprinted that last one. Oh my God. In my 27 years, that is the farthest I've done consecutively. I definitely need to stretch, but I gave myself like a half a mile back to my friend's place. Did it. I did it. Time for water and lunch. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . now that I've had, oh my gosh, there's a puppy. Now that I've had a chance to collect my thoughts, I've eaten, I've had lots and lots of water, showered and everything, stretched a little bit. Everything is really tight, I will say that. But I wanted to kind of recap the run. It seems like it came out of nowhere, but it really is something I've been wanting to do because I really want to run a half marathon at some point. During the pandemic is when I really got into running again. I used to be a runner like 5th grade all the way in high school. I did track and field like my whole life. My AOL, like for AIM, my username was runner all the way. Runner all the way. So like that was a big part of my personality. I was a huge sprinter. And then because of the pandemic, I was going on walks like every single day. And then I was like, what happens if I run? What would that be like? Because I don't really like to, or like at the time I didn't like to run for like pleasure. It was really just like I would force myself to do sprints when I was like super into weightlifting and training that way because I knew that cardio was important. But I did a lot of sprints on the treadmill, and then I'd say ever since I moved back to LA in 2017, I'd say I go on a hike like almost once a week. So I'm constantly moving my body. I walk almost 4 miles every single day, and I do a lot of HIIT style training. So I have like, I don't know, I guess my heart is in like a good shape to be able to handle running. So when I started doing that in the pandemic, I started doing 2 to 3 miles, and then it went to 3 to 4. And for the past 4 or 5 months, it's been around 4 to 5 miles. And then the last 2 months, I've been doing more 6-mile runs. So 10 to me, I'm like, that's literally 4 more miles. Like at that point, I'm like, it's all a mental game at that point. So fuck it. And I did it. And I'm like so proud of myself. But yeah, I've always been like a super athletic person. I always have athletic goals. And even though I'm an actor, I was never like a theater kid. I was a sports kid. So I was like Finn from Glee. Like the sports kid turned theater kid. Finn? Was that his name? Anyway, I'm not a Gleek, so sorry. Yeah, but I'm feeling really, really good. And like, it's funny to go back to my AIM username. I was talking to Nick after I ran, and he's like, well, you're runner all the way. And I was like, oh my god, I am. That was my AIM email that I used to talk to my crushes in middle school. It's so funny. It just like unlocked a memory that I was like, oh my god, I am a runner, aren't I? Weird. I'm very proud of myself, to say the least. And we're gonna go to the grocery store and get ingredients to make drinks and make pizza. I was about to grab a beer, and then my friend was like, let's go to the store first. And I was like, probably a good idea. Let's go to the store. I'm just going to the store, to the store. I'm just going to the store. All of the goodies. Ready to make pizza. Wow, I haven't made pizza in a really long time.
I don't think I've ever made a pizza like this. I've gotten like those tiny little pizzas, like a personal thing.
Yeah.
Where you like put a little sauce and cheese on, but I've never done like toppings.
Ooh. Holy shit. Holy shit, we did that. We made these. I'm so proud of us.